Look, Jack Pyke have sent you a seat, mate. Look, and it twists, and what's inside? Shall we have a look?
Yeah.
What do you think's inside?
Camo stuff.
It is a new net.
Yeah, I can put that over me.
What do you say to Glenn?
Thank you.
Thanks, Glenn.
Should I put that on it and go run around?
No.
When you're shooting?
No.
Why?
No.
They won't think
Right,
it.
here's your seat. There's your seat. Right, let's make you a hide.
I like 2 seats.
You're only having one seat. Granddad ain't even got a seat. Because David usually pinches it. I'll tell you what, them old stingers bite.
These new poles as well, Craig?
Yeah, the new poles. He's a lucky boy, isn't he? He's a lucky boy. Look at that. Grip's different on them, which is quite nice. Make him a nice little hide.
New camo net as well.
Yeah, new camo. He's a lucky boy, isn't he? You're getting spoilt, mate. I'll go and make Grandad's hide now.